Hi guys, you know what? Ang swerte ng mga bata dito sa America. This time, it's their lunchtime. They get free food. Amazing. So, ngayon, guys, it's lunchtime. So, I usually don't eat my lunch. I just bring some snacks because I feel like 30 minutes is just very little and I can use these hours or minutes to do my work, like to check some papers and stuff. So hindi ako guys kumakain ng meal during lunch dito. So I just eat my meal after work kasi maaga naman kami nag-dismiss. Hindi tulad dyan sa atin that you have to really be at school until 5 p.m. Dito guys, we dismiss at 2:30. At 2:15, yung mga students, they are gone already at 2:15. At 2:30, we can go home, except during faculty meeting every Wednesday. And during our PLC, which for us is every Thursday. But the rest of the days, we can go home as early as 2:30. So ngayon guys, I'm just here in my classroom. I'm checking some papers for lunchtime, while my students are still on their lunch, like they're still on their lunch. So ayun, kumakain na sila. And not only that, guys, yung mga students na maagang pupunta sa school, they can still eat their breakfast. That is so amazing. Sana ganyan din sa Pilipinas. I think kung ganyan sa Pilipinas, yung mga estudyante, they won't be hungry anymore, and I think they will become more motivated to learn. Grabe. Minsan parang ang unfair ng mundo, right? Yung mga bata sa ibang bansa, they just get a lot of benefits tulad nung free lunch. Pero yung mga iba naman, they don't get that and they struggle, wala silang makain, but they are still in school. Ay, nakakalungkot lang isipin guys. Then, recently lang may nakita akong post ng teacher na yung estudyante niya pala ay umiiyak kasi gutom na pala. Nakatingin lang siya sa bintana and he was very hungry. Ang bait naman ni teacher, pinakain niya yung estudyante niya. Alam nyo guys, na-encounter ko rin yan. I did that too. I used to teach elementary students or elementary pupils before, bago ako nagturo sa senior high school dyan sa Pilipinas. And meron din akong na-encounter na yung estudyante ko masakit yung tiyan kasi pala hindi pa siya kumakain. He was very hungry, so I had to cook something to feed him kasi doon I was assigned in a mountainous school. As in talaga guys, malayo yung mga tindahan, wala kang mabibilihan basta-basta na mga pagkain. So, we actually cook there. Kaming mga teacher, nagluluto talaga kami para meron kaming lunch. Tapos, nung nalaman ko na gutom na siya, actually nagluto ako. So, yun, habang binabantayan pa rin yung mga estudyante ko. So, ganun tayo mga teachers dyan sa Pilipinas. So, ganyan ako noon. So, I help my students. Yung mga kailangang kumain kasi gutom na. Kaya, I salute those teachers na they may not have everything. Hindi naman sila sabihin natin yung kumbaga sumusobra-sobra yung pera nila, ganun. But then they still find time to help their students out of their pocket. So, I salute you. So, that's it. See you again. Bye!